This video will demonstrate how to use the Wand tool in CloudKO's editor. The Wand tool can be selected by clicking the wand icon in the Tools palette or by pressing W for Wand on your keyboard. This image has some background green stuck on the result. To remove it, we need to switch to the background retouching layer. First, click the word Layers to expand the Layers palette. By default, we're always on this top layer, which is the foreground layer that is used to put back missing color on the subject. To remove background color, wrinkles, or shadows, we need to select the bottom layer, which is the background retouching layer. Using the Wand tool, just click the background green you want to get rid of. To hide the background, I will use the action F11 to hide the green within the selection. By default, the wand tolerance is 20, which is good in most cases. Since this subject's shirt color is very similar to the background color, the wand is selecting the shirt as well as the background. So in this case, we need to lower the tolerance of the wand to ensure that only the background green is selected. Now I can press F11 to hide the green within my selection. Be sure to watch our other tutorial videos to learn about more ways you can use CloudKO Lite's editor. Thanks for watching.